Good afternoon, Sunday afternoon, Winter Storm Diego update. This is Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, bringing you the science you need to know. GFS model showing heavy snowfall continuing into your Tuesday throughout the southeast. Heavy accumulations expected from the speaking of this video for the next 24 hours. Winter storm slams the south with heavy snow, power outages. 1,000 is now 2,000 flights canceled out of Charlotte. This was much earlier this morning. Power outages being reported through southern Kentucky. Scenes like this are not uncommon. This is from the Durham Sheriff. Heavy wet snow 4 hours ago starting to weigh power lines and tree branches down here at the 2800 block of Beck Road. A power pole is broken, which is now buried in 6 more inches of snow, which has fallen in the last 4 hours. Power outages on the rise. I've been monitoring since this morning. They are steadily going up. We are now at 500,000 outages in 5 states, and I imagine Virginia is going to be taking the peak over the next 24 hours as the heaviest snow moves into the western central Virginia region over the next 12 to 24 hours. North Carolina, 250,000 power outages, increasing every moment. This was under 200,000 1 hour ago, and you can see the numbers rising. I just refreshed here. We also have power outages coming into California, but we should see Virginia lighting up red here. I'll leave you links to Power Outage US so you can do your own damage assessment. North Carolina Department of Transportation Triangle area, all lanes of I-85 South closed near North Carolina 157 Guess Road, exit 175 in Durham due to a wreck. More wrecks piling up. This is just one example. If you do not have to drive, do not go out. It's Sunday. This is a massive system. There is no end in sight. It's going to be here for quite some time. And back behind it is cold air, and it's just stalled here. And you can see the heavy precipitation extending all the way down into Florida, where there is currently flooding conditions in some areas. And I'm wondering if some of these lines might not be a little snow feathering here through later this evening. So we'll keep a close eye, see if our 50th state gets snow this season tonight. And that would be Florida, the Panhandle. While heavy snow continues to dump in North Carolina, central Virginia, while I speak, accidents are everywhere. Let's check pivotal weather for the amount of snow that has fallen in the last 24 hours. And this is into Sunday just moments ago. And it is drastically updated since I began this video 10 minutes ago. We're now seeing 12 potentially to 16 or more inches of snow in some areas here in southern Virginia. The track is to the north from last night. As I showed you in the icon model, the potential for the most snow was in south central Virginia here, and it is coming true. So the icon model is pulling out the best data on this one, now showing this is on the ground, folks, right now, as of now, and there is more predicted. This is definitely not over. We're going to get to the extra snow predictions in just moments. This is not the map we want. Here we are, high impact winter storm impacting the southeast and mid-Atlantic currently. Heavy accumulating snow will continue to fall in western North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Wintry precipitation, some icy accretions is expected from northeast Georgia to central North Carolina. This will not end for over 24 hours, and it is going to continue. Portions of Tennessee and Kentucky picking up the rear. Travel conditions will be hazardous to nearly impossible in many areas due to slick roads, blowing snow, power outages, and lines on the ground. Winds are expected to be brisk. It's no joke. Additional snowfall forecast for North Carolina. 12 to 16, 18 inches more in Boone. It is not over in the mountains, and this is extending into Virginia with additional snow through your Monday morning. 12 inches in Martinsville, 13 in Danville, 14 South Boston. Roanoke, Lynchburg, Blacksburg, Wyethville, Galaxy. You still have another 10 inches to dump onto the ground. And the winter weather experimental probabilistic snowfall total and ice, I will leave you that with the detailed analysis. This winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travels very hazardous or impossible all day. Do not go out. If you must travel, do not go out. Have a bug out bag, an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle. The public is encouraged to report snowfall amounts or damage to the National Weather Service. And I implore you to do this so that they cannot obfuscate from the truth. The more phone calls they get about the truth, the more truthful reporting we will get in the end of the storm. Heavy snow, additional 6 to 12 inches in many areas. We showed you those areas. Be safe. We don't want you to be prepared. We don't want you to be scared. We want you to be prepared. And the best way to prepare for this storm is to already have those stocks in place and to not go anywhere. Watch it from the comfort of your own home. This snowstorm is not over. More snow is predicted. And you're seeing 12 to 14 inches in many areas just over the next 24 to 36 hours, continuing to fall. And then the cold air will move south tonight. Thanks for watching. Quick update. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this with people you love that are in harm's way. Stay inside. Be safe. We love you.